Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make 5 types of chicken. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So the first recipe, we're going to make fried spice chicken. On today's recipe, you'll need some chicken. I'm going to use some thighs and chicken wings 1 kg. Slightly cut them so that the spices can blend in well. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, optional if you don't like chili, 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, paprika powder 1 tablespoon, 1 squeezed lemon of lime, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. You'll also need some oil, about 4 tablespoons, and lastly you're going to need 4 to 5 tablespoons of yogurt. In a bowl which has the chicken, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, followed by 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Then pour some lime juice or lemon juice to add an extra amazing taste to the chicken. Then add 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Then sprinkle some salt to taste. Add paprika powder 1 tablespoon, oregano leaves 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, optional if you don't like chili, black pepper 1 teaspoon, and lastly add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and mix everything well. Continue mixing the chicken and the spices very well so that the spices can blend in well. Then take a plastic bag and put the chicken and put in the fridge to let it marinate for a day. After marination, pour some oil in a pan or a pot and let the oil heat up before frying the chicken. Once the oil is slightly hot, dip in the chicken slowly and deep fry them in a medium heat so that the chicken can cook in well. Do not overload the chicken in the pan so that the chicken can have enough space to cook well, and let the chicken continue cooking. Shuffle the chicken around so that it can cook evenly to have a nice golden brown color. And once your chicken are well cooked and they have a nice golden brown color like this, then your chickens are ready. Remove them from the oil and place them on a plate. And my fried spice chicken is ready, as you can see in the video. You can eat along with some salad and fries and enjoy your chicken. So the second recipe, we're going to make grilled chicken without using an oven. With this recipe, I used a half a kg of chicken wings, or you can use any other part of the chicken. Then you'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, garam masala 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder a half a teaspoon, black pepper a half a teaspoon, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, a bit of salt to taste, tandoori masala 1 tablespoon, soya sauce 2 tablespoons. Then I squeeze a half a lemon, and lastly I added 1 tablespoon and a half of honey, but sorry, my camera stopped a bit. Then you'll mix all the spices very well with the chicken. Mix all the spices very well and cover the chicken wings and put in the fridge the whole day so that the spices blends in well with the chicken. And after the whole day of marination, remove the chicken wings from the fridge and mix them once more and cook them on the pan, or you can also grill them in the oven. Place the wings on the pan and add some of the sauce on top and a bit of oil, and cook the chicken wings in a low-medium heat fast so that they can cook inside. Then afterwards, increase the heat and add the remaining of the sauce and cook them on both sides so that they can get this amazing golden brown color. And once your chicken wings have this amazing color, then your chicken wings are ready. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with fries, rice, bread or anything you like and enjoy your tasty chicken wings. The third recipe, we're going to make black pepper chicken. Ingredients: you will need oil 4 to 5 tablespoons, a half a kg of clean chicken thighs, a half a cup of yogurt, a quarter to 1 cup of water, black pepper about 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 to 6 cinnamon sticks, 5 to 6 pieces of cloves, 1 large sliced onion, and a handful of coriander leaves. In a preheated pan, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil or ghee. Then add 5 to 6 pieces of cinnamon sticks and cloves and stir for 1 minute. Then add the chicken thighs or any other part of the chicken. Make sure you have slightly cut the chicken so it can be easier to cook inside, and cook for at least 3 minutes. Then you will add sliced onions, stir and cover to let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Sprinkle some salt to taste and let the chicken continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and stir once more so that the ginger garlic paste blends well in the chicken. Then add some crushed cumin seeds, about 1 teaspoon, and black pepper, about 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon, and mix the chicken very well. Then pour a half cup of yogurt. This is to make your chicken more soft and tender. Then stir and cover to let your chicken cook till the yogurt dries up. Once the yogurt has dried up, add a quarter to a half cup of water, bit by a bit, till the chicken is completely soft and the water has dried up. Once the water has dried, give a quick mix for about 1 to 2 minutes. Lastly, sprinkle a handful of coriander leaves and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and your black pepper chicken is ready. After 2 to 3 minutes, your black pepper chicken will look like this. Look how tasty and delicious the black pepper chicken is. And my tasty black pepper chicken is ready, as you can see in the video. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with rice, chapati, bread or anything you like and enjoy your black pepper chicken. In our fourth recipe, we're going to make KFC chicken the easiest way. For this recipe, you will need a half a kg of chicken thigh or any other part of the chicken. Slightly cut the chicken on both sides as you can see in the video so that the spices can get in the chicken. In a separate bowl, pour a half a cup of milk, followed by garlic powder 1 tablespoon, ginger powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper about a half a teaspoon, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, then squeeze 1 lemon, and lastly add 1 egg and mix everything very well. Then afterwards, take the chicken thighs and put them in the mixed spices and mix them very well. Make sure the chicken are beautiful coated with the spices. Then take a plastic bag and put everything in the bag and cover it. Then put in the fridge to marinate for 2 hours or so. After 2 hours of marination, it's high time to deep fry the chicken. Before doing this, in a plate, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of wheat flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mix together. Then take one chicken at a time, cut them in the flour as you can see in the video. And my chickens are ready to be fried in the oil. Make sure the oil is so hot before dipping them in. Once the oil is hot, dip them slowly and fry them on a high heat fast on both sides. Then afterwards, reduce the heat so that they can cook inside. Then lastly, you will increase the heat once more so that they can get a nice golden brown color, and when they're ready, remove them and place them aside on a plate. And my fried KFC chickens are ready, as you can see in the video. They have a nice golden brown color, very crunchy and very tasty. And enjoy your chickens with some sauce. Thank you. In our last recipe, you're going to make tasty chicken tikka. Ingredients: you will need a whole chicken, 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, black pepper 1 teaspoon, cayenne pepper 1 tablespoon, oil about 2 to 3 tablespoons, vinegar about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and a half cup of yogurt. So the first step, take your whole chicken and slightly cut the chicken all around so that the spices can blend in well. In a medium bowl, add a half cup of yogurt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar, oil about 2 to 3 tablespoons, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, salt to taste, cayenne pepper about 1 tablespoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, squeeze a half a lemon or 1 lemon, and lastly add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix all the ingredients very well. Mix the ingredients well and nice until everything is well combined. Put the chicken in an oven dish and pour the mixed ingredients on top and apply around the chicken. Don't forget any spots. Make sure you have ply inside the holes and every corner of the chicken. Flip the chicken on the other side and apply the ingredients very well. Then afterwards, tie the chicken legs. It's important to do this step because when the chicken is baking in the oven, the legs will be so wide and that's not good. It's important that your chicken looks good when it comes out from the oven, and cover the chicken and put in the fridge to marinate for about 1 to 2 hours. And after 1 to 2 hours, remove your chicken from the fridge and bake it in the oven at 220 degrees for 1 hour and 10 minutes. When your chicken is baking, after 30 minutes, flip the chicken on the other side to bake it for 30 minutes. Then flip it once more to bake it with the remaining 10 minutes. In total, it will be 1 hour and 10 minutes. And after 1 hour and 10 minutes, my chicken tikka is well baked and it got a nice golden brown color. And my tasty chicken tikka is ready, as you can see in the video. Look how amazing and tasty my chicken tikka is. You can eat along with chips, rice, ugali or anything you prefer and enjoy your chicken tikka. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.